don't know if you can see me, but today is a really amazing mosam, amazing weather, and I've come to the park to just sit, relax, and unwind the past 5 hours of continuous brain rot I've been doing, watching things I don't even want to. Forget I should or shouldn't. Watching things I don't even want to. Just consuming dopamine, little dopamine addict. But you just gotta trust your plan. You just trust God's plan. You just gotta if you don't believe in God, trust yourself. You gotta trust someone immensely. Either it's your guru, mentor, it's your teacher, whoever. Either it's God or either it's yourself. Do the things you're supposed to, and you won't need any worship. You won't need any specific rituals. Do the thing you're supposed to do, regardless of how you feel like doing, regardless of the result, regardless if 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 anything. I didn't even want to record this video, but there's a plane going above my head. I don't know. Well, for the past few days, I've been actually making progress. I've been focusing on little efforts, increasing my levels a little, like going out of my comfort zone just a little every day, like 1% better, they say, and doing that for the past few days. And today was a really horrible day, and the day yesterday was an average day, and the day before that was a horrible day. So these are just ups and downs. You cannot be baffled, you cannot be amazed by one win or one lose. One defeat and one win cannot define, it just doesn't define who you are and what you do. Either you're successful or not. One win, two wins, three losses, these things doesn't matter. It matters over the long run, over months and years. So just stick. This is the hard part. They talk about. This is the struggle they talk about. This is the mental pain and suffering they talk about. You think pain was getting cut in the knee? No. Those were the warrior years, the gladiator era. Those are all gone. These days, the pain, suffering, and hard work needs to be mental. I keep looking there. I have a friend coming, and I don't want him to know I'm doing anything related to YouTube or self-improvement, because I'm ashamed of who I am. If I was a little bit, even a little bit happy, okay, plane, go ahead, do what you gotta do. Let me show you. Just a minute. Oh, you missed it. Never mind. But anyways, let me show you the view. I've like so yeah, that's all I was saying. And you should, who am I to judge or give opinion? I don't do half of the self-improvement myself, but it's that is what the struggle is all about. one kid just kicked another in behind. Just gave a swift little kick. Be happy, be grateful for who you are and where you are, and do not chase the future. Do not chase the future. If you chase the future, it will consume you into it so much that you will forget to live the now, the present. That's all I want to say. Take care of yourself and your family. There's a war going on in India and Pakistan right now. I live in India, and that too in capital. So I am directly under the threat. But who cares? I'm dealing with my phone addiction. How am I so unbothered by this war that I I don't even know what India did, what Pakistan did, how many missiles did India launch, what attack rebound